In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the Chrome extension Read Aloud and change the settings. Come up here to your Chrome extension toolbar. Click on the megaphone. To change the voice and the speed, click on the gear icon. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose the voice Alex. We cannot use any of the Google voices at this time. To lower the speed, drag the bar to the left. To increase the pitch or lower the pitch, drag this bar. To change and adjust the volume, you'll adjust this bar. You can turn text highlighting on or off. And then you can test it to make sure it's what you would like. The really cool thing is that you can also edit the shortcut keys so that you don't need to come up to your toolbar every time you want to use the Read Aloud. So if you click on Edit Shortcut Keys and you find your Read Aloud extension, you can create any shortcut that you want. I will use Control and Spacebar. So then, if I want the screen reader to read, I don't have to click here and click play. I can go to this website I want read, highlight the text that I would like read to me, and I can push Control Space.
It was a day of hope and another triumph in the fight against CO.
And then if I would like to increase the text size, I can click down here, or then to make it smaller and fit all in one page, I can click there. In this way, you can have students select as much or as little as they need to read at a time.